Alright you guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my shoes. I know a lot of you guys know that I'm a track and field guy, so I wear a lot of Nike shoes and they're white or have white soles, white bottoms, and I'm going to show you all the little trick I do to keep them brand new, looking clean, keep them, get off marks, keep them like from getting dirt on them and stuff like that, and make them look brand new. So here are my shoes that I need clean. You could tell they're looking a little dingy around the bottom, just from wear and tear, from just wearing around campus, stuff like that. These ones right here got some scuff marks on the toes and stuff like that. So all you need is a bottle of oxi-clean laundry type stain remover, and this is $2.97 at Walmart or like $3 at Target. And all you need is like an old toothbrush that you don't use anymore. The first thing I'm gonna do is just get some water on my toothbrush and just get my shoe damp a little bit all over, like so, laces and everything. Then I get my oxi-clean. I spray it generously over all parts like that. Do that for both shoes. And then I'm gonna let them sit for like 2 or 3 minutes with the oxi-clean on it. Alright, once your shoe is done sitting for a little bit, dip your toothbrush back in the water, and you just gotta start scrubbing all around the fabric of your shoe where you got scuffs. Alright, now that I've used the oxi-clean on both my shoes, I'm gonna throw them in the washer. But before I throw them into the washer, I'm going to throw them in a pillowcase and just wash it like I would any other clothes. Alright, yo guys, my shoes just came out the washer. And you can see they look brand new. All those little scuffs and stuff I had are gone. You can check out this one where I had the bad scuffs up at the toes. Look completely fine. And then these are my other shoes that I washed. And I wanted to get the base really well because it was all dingy, as you could see earlier. And they look brand new. They look really nice. And I don't put my shoes in the dryer, I just let them air dry. It only takes like a couple hours really, maybe like if you let them sit overnight. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some clean shoes after it, and I'll see you in the next one.